Hey guys, in this video, I'm just going to give a huge thanks to a huge accomplishment that I just hit because of you guys. Thank you guys so much. Because of you guys, I just hit a huge milestone of 100,000 views on my Creative Writing Lessons channel. If you haven't already, head on over there and like and subscribe if you want to learn how to write a successful story. But thank you guys so much. Without you guys, honestly, it would be impossible for me to keep on writing, keep on pumping these videos out, all the comments, everybody who's reaching out to me. I appreciate you guys, and please don't stop. Comment, dislike, like, either way. I just want to pump out good content that will help you guys write a successful story. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. All right, let's continue the video. Guys, we are so close to hitting 1,000 followers. We are at right here, 796. This is a huge dream of mine to continue to make these videos, to write, to help others write, especially the beginning writers. A lot of times people put them down, don't give them support, but you guys can come to me for anything and everything. I'm here to support your goals, whether you want to be a writer, an author, screenwriter, a playwright, even if you just want to be an illustrator or anything like that, I'm here. And I understand how hard it is to have people on your side, so I am always on your side. You can hit me up in Discord, social medias, or emails if you need anything. I'm always there for you guys, so thank you so much for all your support hitting these amazing goals. Hello there. So I have 2 kids books out of my 4 kids book series self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free.